2019 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, security system, electronic stability control, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, power driver's seat, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.